المثل بيقول الصديق وقت الضيق، ولهالسبب الليلة صديقتي ميشال هي الستار بجوال.
My name is Michel. I live in London and I'm a professional makeup artist. Actually, I trained at the same school as Joelle and I work in London. I do filming, I do celebrities, I do lots of TV stuff and photo shoots. And it's a tough industry, very, very tough in London, but I love my job.
ميشال صديقتي من زمان كتير، من لما كان عمري 20 سنة، لكن هي أكبر مني ب 12 سنة. هالشي ما كان يبين أبداً لما كنا صغار، وحتى لما كنا عم نكبر كان بعده ما عم يبين الفرق بيني وبينها بالعمر. لكن صراحة آخر كم سنة بعدت عنا لما جيت على دبي، وكل ما تيجي تزورني أما أنا نروح على لندن اتفاجأ كتير قديش هي عم يبين عليها الكبر.
When Joelle left England, it was like a death for me. My dearest friend, you know, was so far away. And the things that were happening in my life at the time were just, I really needed her. And she couldn't be there. And I was so glad for her. You know, I am so glad for her and how well she's done. But I miss her so much. Working in the beauty industry and TV and film, you can't help as a woman but not feel the pressure to keep looking good. I don't particularly like looking in the mirror, and that's got, as I've got older, that's got an awful lot worse. You know, I don't recognize my face anymore. If you're not feeling confident, it's really hard. I don't want to leave the house sometimes.
هذا الشيء صار كتير يزعجها، صار كتير يأثر على شخصيتها، نفسيتها، بطلت تحب تطلع من البيت، وهي أصلاً من الأصل كانت كتير تعتمد علي إنه أعطيها هيك encouragement إنه نظهر من البيت. كنا نروح على الجيم كل يوم، كنت شوفها أقل شيء 5 أيام بالأسبوع، بينا على 8 سنين بنشوف بعض بين 5 أيام ل 6 أيام بالأسبوع. صديقتي كانت كتير قريبة لإلي وكتير بحبها وكتير أنا قريبة لها وكل أخبارها عندي، وكنت أعرف قديش هي بتعاني من الثقة بالنفس حتى لما كانت كتير حلوة. ومع العمر صارت ثقتها بنفسها بالمرة. هلا وصلنا للشيء اللي ميشال صار لها ناطرته سنين وسنين وسنين، وهو أهم شيء بالميك أوفر تبعها يلي هو الفيس ليفت، شد الوجه.
Things have changed a lot, particularly the last 10 years, you know.
What changed exactly? What's really bothering you?
My eyebrows have really dropped, and so my eyes now are just really kind of coming down. And then the same with, you know, just the, under the eyes looks just empty. Same, you know, around here, but, you know, I think, you know, just being able to sort of open up my face and open up my eyes so that they're alive again, you know, I can see them, would be amazing. And then on the jawline, you know, the neck, this whole area is just, you know, it's just loss of elasticity. You know, I'm older, that's what happens, but
things change with the years.
They go south.
Okay. So,
أنا بعرف إنه كتير عالم بيخافوا من شد الوجه، وشد الوجه إجمالاً صارت عملية منا كتير معمولة، لأنه في كتير ناس عم بيلجأوا للخيوط والبوتوكس والفيلر، لكن النتيجة ما بتكون نفسها. ميشال بلندن عملت كتير بوتوكس، عملت كتير فيلر، بس ما عطوا النتيجة الحلوة، بالعكس صار وجهها قاشت أكتر ومبين عليها التعب أكتر، ولما ما تضحك ببين إنه هي كتير تعيسة. فشد الوجه كان الحل الوحيد.
شرحنا الميشال إنه أحسن نتيجة حتكون بالجراحة. الجراحة بتكون في شد للوجه، في شد للرقبة، في نفس الوقت ممكن نعمل ليفتينج ولا شد للحواجب عشان نرفعها، وشد في نفس الوقت للجفون. كل هذا ممكن نعمله في نفس العملية، ممكن إنها بتطلب شوية وقت، ممكن تطلب شوية.
ميشال صار حواجبها كتير كتير خفاف. لما تعرفت عليها كانوا حجب بيطيروا العقل، كانوا سميك حلوين بوشي، لكن قطعت فتره وصارت الموضه الحواجب كتير رفيعه، وانا وياها تناتنا رفعنا وهالشيء كبرنا كتير بالعمر. بطلع وقت على صورنا من زمان اقول او ماي جاد كان شكلنا اكبر من هلا. وعمليه كتير بسيطه ما بتوجع ما بتخوف، تنعمل بقلب الكلينيك مع دكتوره هانيا، لكن النتيجه بتبلش تبين بعد 6 اسابيع، والنتيجه الفاينل بتبين بعد 3 اشهر ل6 اشهر.
My legs are shaking. I've been so relaxed all day and now I'm like, Jenny.
Michel, this is you, the girl I met 20 years ago. You look amazing.
I feel like I need a chair. I'm like really wobbly.
You look incredible.
I'm looking at you, but it's really hard to look because I look so good. To look at myself, it's
Really,
shocking.
you look so good. How happy are you?
I'm quivering. I'm shocked. I felt so happy all day anyway. I didn't know I was going to feel all quivery.
Yeah. I just want to say, we don't often do facelifts on the show.
Yeah.
One, it's a big operation. Two, we don't have a lot of women that are in the age of 40, 50 plus.
And also my skin is so
Yeah.
fair and
But what I want to say,
Yeah.
it's such a pleasure for me
yeah.
to see you looking so normal.
Yeah.
And as if you've had nothing done.
I know.
And the fact that there are no scars, I can't see scars.
No.
Even close up, even if you do this, I can't see scars.
It's amazing.
It's amazing.
And it's not even been, it's been 6 months.
And maybe the scariest thing with a facelift is, am I gonna look the same?
Yeah.
Am I still gonna look like Michelle, or am I gonna look like someone else? Because everything
Like something
been
weird has
pulled back.
happened to my face. I look,
But the joy for me, because of course you came, you did the facelift, then you went back to the UK.
Yeah.
Then you came back a week ago. I was like, oh my God, my friend is back.
You forgot.
Yeah, I know. I mean, because also for me it's hard because I
Yeah.
wasn't seeing you often, and I wasn't getting used to the aging process.
No.
I only saw, So in my head,
And I'd write to you, oh my God, when you see
Yeah.
me, please, I mean, I look rough. And you'd be like,
Yeah.
don't be silly, don't be silly, don't be silly.
Yeah.
And it's like, but I kind of do.
Yeah. And like you said, it's not vanity. You're not someone who's
No.
obsessed with yourself.
Not at all.
And no one can judge how you feel unless they're in your shoes. So every woman watching us now, she cannot judge anyone who's in this spot until she's facing the same problems and issues.
Yeah. I'm walking that journey.
Yeah. What's the favorite part?
What's happened here, and the fact that I literally look like me. I don't look like anybody else. I don't look like. I do not look like somebody's messed with my face.
One thing I would really like also to talk about, because you and I both went to the same dentist in London. And we went to the #1 dentist.
We did.
And we ended up with very similar smiles, which was the Hollywood smile.
Yeah.
And you had yours until you changed yours now on the
Literally.
show.
Yeah.
And you got your designer smile.
Yeah.
How different is that?
It is so much better.
Yeah.
Whether that's technology has moved on so much, or like the dentists are just even higher caliber. It's hard for me to know which that is because that was how many years ago now?
15 years ago.
It was 15 years ago. They've lasted
because
well,
for me, I know that when
is-
Dr. Ahmad, he convinced me.
Yeah.
Because I was happy with my Hollywood smile.
We didn't know they
I
weren't
thought
good
they were
enough.
amazing.
They were.
But then after I did my designer smile and I
Yeah.
looked at pictures, and look, oh my God, I felt like I had chewing gum stuck to my
Yeah.
teeth. They were so
Those
big,
little, you know, you
and
thought
almost,
that.
you know, were protruding.
Yeah.
And they didn't feel like they belonged to me.
Yeah.
So now I look at you and I
Yeah.
look at your smile, and he's also kind of designed the same,
Yeah.
very similar to my smile.
He's
And I think-
broadened my
and
smile.
I thought even the teeth make you look younger. It's
Yeah,
not
they
just
go- absolutely.
It's not just the facelift or
No.
the eyebrow transplant
No.
or the extensions or
Yeah.
the makeup. It's everything.
It is everything. It is everything.